Hey all, in this session I am going to show you how to use Google URL Shortner and what are all the uses of shortening your URL and how to use it, how to track it and how it will be useful when you use it. So all these things I will be discussing in this section in this session. So now let's take when you have a long URL. So now I have a long URL from Times of India, so which is a news portal. I have this URL, I have this link. So this is a news, and this is a page from Times of India website, and you can see the URL here. The link of the website is very long. So this link, when I have to share it in social media, or else when I have to send it through an email, or if I have to send it through other medium, if I have to share it, so long URLs will not look much good, or else it will not be useful when it's long. So like I can say, like people can't remember long URLs, and also it's sometimes they can't copy paste it, or else sometimes they can't click it. They have to see it and type it in the browser. So that time these long URLs might be a bit problem. So for this we have solution from Google, which is a free tool. So that tool is called Google URL Shortner. So if you type Google URL Shortner, so the first link which you are getting is the URL Shortner. So here we will be shortening the URL. So the whole URL, this much long URL which has some 50 to 60 characters, will come up to some 4 to 5 characters. I'll also tell you what is the use of shortening your URL. So now I am copying and I am pasting it here, and if I click shorten URL, the URL will be shortened to some 3 or 4 characters. But before that you need to be signed in to your Google account. This enables you to track your URL and how many times it's been clicked and who are all clicking it, so it can be tracked. So and it also keeps a history of your shortened URLs. So you have to sign in through your Google account. So now I'm clicking on shorten URL. So after I click on shorten URL, Google gives me a small URL, goo.gl/untblm. So this is the shortened URL for this long URL. So after I click done, it comes here. So it comes here and it's been clicked 0 times. So let's take now, I have sent it to somebody and somebody has pasted it and somebody has opened the URL. So if someone copies it and paste it, or if someone loads it in a browser, the URL comes into a long URL and it redirects to the original web page. So now if you reload here on your browser, you can see like there is one click. Someone has clicked your URL one time. So again, if someone loads it, it shows you it's been loaded 2 times. So if you click here, if you click in the small menu which is in the right corner of the URL, you will see analytics data, QR code. So if you click analytics data, you can see the whole analytics here. So you can see what are all the browsers used and what are all the platforms, whether it's Windows or something, and from where it's been clicked. So here you can see so how many clicks and when it has been clicked, what is the time range. So this is the analytic data. And again, if you right click here you can see QR code. If you click on QR code, you will get a small QR code which you can embed on your website, or you can send it to somebody else so that they can scan it on their mobiles and the URL gets opened in their mobile. So Google URL Shortner can be used as both shortening your URL as well as a QR code generator as well. So even if someone loads this QR code, it will show Google Analytics data shows like someone has loaded that QR code and link has been clicked. So this is the very use of Google URL shortener, which is a very useful tool. And sometimes I'll tell you how this tracking is very useful. Sometimes if you send your event, your website page to somebody else, and in a email or in some media, social media like that, you are not sure whether they have opened your URL or not, whether they have opened your link or not when you share it through a email. So that time this URL shortener is very much useful, so that you can track who are all clicking on the link as well as their analytics. Hope this is useful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.